There's my utility light that I got off of eBay, and the way this works is there's a dial up top that you just turn. It's 24 volt, and then this pulls out so you can focus the beam, and then it's got a little switch, red, white, and then just went to red, so it's like on a map mode if you wanted to have no reflective light at night. You could read your maps and whatever, and it's totally adjustable, and I've got it between the visors. It's perfect at night. Then I also have one in the back that I mounted. You can see it. Where is it? There. So I have light at night as well. You can also see the foam bed that I've got. I can easily sleep there at night. There's a toolbox. So we'll do more from the back.